What's going on, guys? It's me, Gamebro, and
Justice!
And welcome to your Saturday morning episode, amigos. Guys, Gamebro's in the house, and with me I have
Justice!
So today we are continuing Resident Evil: The Umbrella Chronicles.
Evil.
We're gonna continue. We last left off fighting that dragon.
You sure it was a dragon?
It looked like a dragon. It was a scorpion, but I named it the dragon.
That's true, it was a scorpion. I remember that part.
So now we're going. I'm still gonna be Belly. Belly.
Keep it clear. I'm player 2, so the kills, when they show up, are mine.
And just to be clear, Nintendo still doesn't know how to add.
Shotgun. Shotgun. No, but it's infinite or whatever.
That's a shotgun.
Yeah, it is. It was the last time.
It's a handgun.
Nuh-uh, it was the shotgun that I was using the last time.
Look.
What's that?
After they destroyed the Sanri biological weapon, Becca and Belly successfully engaged and halted the runaway train. But the massive force created ended up derailing it. The pair barely managed to escape with their lives. Lying in front of them was the demolished umbrella facility. Hey, I didn't mess up anything.
You were also read it like a first grader, but... For real.
Come on.
Look, we have hair.
Wow. You see? You should have taken my help. You fell down like a little wuss.
He thinks that she's like a weakling.
And just like a woman, she has to be on the phone.
I'm not sure, but I can see the entrance.
I'm trying to make a hair appointment.
Heading to the mansion right now. We'll rendezvous there.
Roger.
So I'm guessing you need a bodyguard, right?
See?
No.
He's so
Do
cocky.
you?
That's Billy.
Annoying.
Remember, I'm red.
I'm blue. So how do we...
You shoot with me.
Me?
Yeah, and you die naturally.
You see? You see? Why do I have samurai edge too or whatever?
Ah!
Hey, you want to choose another target? You're like on my...
Ah!
Who has to counterattack?
Both of you!
I think I have to... Wait, I need to...
What is this place?
Yes. Here we go. We're in the sewers.
Turn it around. Turn. As soon as we make the turn. There you go, picking up stuff right away.
It's a shotgun, so it goes straight to you. Oh!
See, one shot.
You don't have to
Take like
reload
10.
because you're not shooting.
Whatever, I'm shooting. I'm just hitting them when I actually shoot. Not.
What?
That's how you shoot. Okay, we just came from there.
That's right.
I don't see any monsters.
I don't see any monsters.
Just in case, we better check upstairs.
Of course.
Ooh, what's that? Who's that?
The Umbrella
Oh, it's
Management
statue.
Training Facility.
The first general manager, James Marcus.
Shot it, just in case.
You know him?
Yeah, still.
Just the name. He's been dead for some time now.
Friendly looking guy. Even dead, he has quite a presence.
Who are they talking about?
This guy, right here.
Oh.
Attention! This is Dr. Marcus.
Doctor, I need help.
Please be silent as we reflect upon our company motto. Obedience breeds discipline. Discipline breeds unity.
Ammo.
Unity breeds power. Power is life.
Did you grab some? Were you shooting?
Billy, up there!
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Oh, it reminds me of the ones on that boat. Whose story was that?
Not this way.
Here!
That story in the six. Where is my gun? It's Chris on the boat. Yeah. Remember?
Forget
When
them.
those
We're
things
going
that-
through.
That like they keep like you have to board them or something. Like they keep coming up. Where is it?
I don't know, but I'm breaking windows because I'm a badass.
What are you doing? I picked it up. You did.
I got a grenade.
Oh!
Oh, another one. Two.
I don't know how to reload like all
Like real people do it, like this.
whatever, dude. You're not real.
What was that?
A plant.
Is that a green herb?
Yeah. What's that? Is that us?
Yes, recording.
Is that us making the noise?
Just checking it. Oh!
Where did you go? Why did you turn the thing?
He's running. You're running. Oh! Massive succession!
Turn the camera around.
Don't turn it around. Bye-bye. Close the door. Close the door!
No, they're not gonna close it.
It's not good.
We have to find another way.
Yeah, let's go
Close
back.
there.
Yeah, let's go back. So we have to go back to those guys.
Yeah.
You know that, right? Oh, something happened.
Oh!
Rebecca!
I remember that part.
Hold on!
What was it? It was a butt monkey! It's a butt monkey! Yeah, that's what came from the
I knew something happened here. Oh wow. I want whatever she
Thank you.
removes the blemish.
Billy, I'm sorry, but I have to know.
It heals you. It was
Did you really kill 23 people?
I'm trying to.
We were ordered to attack the village.
Whoa.
Oh, this when he's telling her what they did. Remember?
And guess who was in Africa?
Chris.
But orders don't justify slaughtering innocent people.
Hello.
So what happened to the butt monkey?
What happened in that village? You can't talk about it, can you?
Where am I?
What good
die?
will it do? It won't change the past.
If you don't want to talk about it, I'll understand. I'm not afraid of you anymore.
I'm an escaped fugitive, remember? Didn't they tell you I was dangerous?
Yes, they
Ah!
did.
All day.
You laugh only when I do something like that, but when you mess up,
But we have to work together if we want to make it out of
World!
this is
Yeah. Survival first.
That's what you do when you mess up. Now, why did you have to go break the light? Maybe it's we're gonna need that light. You're right, Nintendo doesn't know how to count.
Whatever.
Why is he wearing the handcuff on his hand?
Because he's a badass.
Was he a prisoner or something? Because he has it on his hand like if it was there, and like then they took it off like in one of those situations. Oh, because the cop is so good and like they don't want to let the bad guy
Elevator.
An elevator. This'll get us up.
No. Take it home. Butt monkey.
Did we get it? I have a feeling we're gonna say more of those things.
What?
The turtles. Are they turtles? You're trying to pick up stuff. I can see you doing it.
But it didn't let me. Oh! Door! Oh! Close the door! Oh!
Why does my gun go like all off to the screen? When you turn the screen, like it's all.
Oh! Is that another elevator? Fully powered. Whoa! There's an elevator.
But we just came from the elevator. Look at you, trying to get to that thing first. You're terrible. You know that? Like you won't even turn the camera until you get there.
It's because you don't know my life.
Ugh. It smells like the
my
zoo.
Why did you turn the camera if you knew I was getting that?
I don't turn. Oh, there we go. I win.
I get you.
I kill you.
I said I get you.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there she goes, gonna get hung.
Monkeys!
Oh.
Butt monkeys!
Oh!
Great.
Was it B?
Yeah, move D. Butt monkey!
Why do you call them butt monkeys? Is that what they're called?
Peanut butter! Oh!
Armor's in the way.
I can't aim right.
The other one.
Which one? Where? You have to tell me where.
We need power that.
Right there. You gotta kill it. I was going after the turds. You should have kept shooting.
You know how to kill turds for sure.
Armor's in the way.
Boom, boom, boom. Here we go.
What happens here?
Where you died last time.
You died. You didn't look good.
Right, turds.
You got the turd.
Go. Let's look back.
That hurt.
We made it outside.
Okay, we got power.
Are you alright, Rebecca?
Yeah. Something's coming.
What?
Something big, like there's like a big bird, isn't there? Yeah. Bat, a big bat.
Big bat.
And it takes her. He goes
What?
after it. It takes her.
Enemies!
Good.
Well,
How
we're
could
also gonna
something
come
that
back.
big be so fast?
Out of spirit. Attention!
We have to focus. Aim for the head.
Mind you, that I kill with my feet. See that?
She's a ninja!
Don't it. It's coming! It's coming! They're coming! Oh, you shot that. Good shot.
Lord.
I can't get a clear shot.
What now?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
We have to go up.
Right.
Weird. I didn't mean to say it like that. Sure, let's try it.
Yeah. Hello?
I shot it! The last shot was mine! For real! Y'all can see that. You're gonna see that the last shot was mine.
Results. 21 minutes. Enemies hit.
Nintendo still doesn't know how to count. They still haven't fixed it. And you still gotta succeed.
Whatever. I won. I killed everything. Enemies hit. 109. No knives. I went hand-to-hand combat with everybody. I didn't need a gun.
That was not no hand-to-hand combat. Oh! That was not hand-to-hand combat. This was ninja.
Ninja! Anyway, guys. Hope you liked the video.
Wait! Instant replay. Let us know who got the last shot of that big old bat. We all know it was me, but we need him to know that. Okay?
If you like this video and like to see more like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Peace!
You almost had to.